We're in Indianapolis, Indiana at the 13th Hour Haunted Attraction. This haunted attraction is known for being very theatrical, having immersive sets and experiences, but I've never been. But someone who has been is our guest for today. She actually works here at the haunt, but she is terrified of haunted houses, which makes her the perfect person to go with us.
Right, yeah. My name is Raina, and I have to be walked to my spot every time I go through here, so I should give some pretty good reactions, I think.
Okay, you ready to get scared?
Absolutely.
I'm excited.
Welcome to CARTOCKER Expeditions. I am Dr. Kronos. I'll be taking care of you tonight. Now, before you go any further, I need to scan you all and make sure you're not bringing any nasty buggies into the time machine. That would be very bad. No bugs in the time machine. No bugs. No more bugs. Head straight ahead. Top of the ramp. Stop at the door. Top of the ramp. Stop at the door.
Attention time travelers. Please stand clear of the doors.
What is my training?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anomaly detected.
This way, through the curtain, see Lady CARTOCKER on the other side.
Oh my god, I don't like it. Thank you.
Now good luck, friend.
Thank you.
May time be on your side.
Oh god.
Welcome, Jess. Come in, come in. Stand nice and close up front. Right here, right? I am Lady CARTOCKER, your timekeeper. Tell me, time travelers, shall we explore the wonders of the future or the mysteries of the past? The past, the past. Brace yourselves. Secretly back in 1913. I'm the widow, for instance.
Okay. I don't like it at all. Okay. Hello there, hi! I love vampires, yay! Oh, he's real, okay. I love this picture. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh my god! Okay, okay. It's fine. It's fine. Yuck. Oh, no, 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 no! Okay. Okay. Okay.
Have you seen my husband, Heinrich?
No, no.
Please, you need to find my husband. He wouldn't leave me here.
Oh, well, that's okay. It's a shame. Hello, hello. I'm sorry, I don't know where he is.
I know you'll be there. Oh, please find my husband.
He took my baby!
Oh,
You must kill him!
I'm sorry. I'm
Pirates
sorry.
took my baby!
That's a shame. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Warm parties, beating hearts, a symphony of souls. Continue to the cathedral. The bishop awaits your arrival.
Great.
You wouldn't want to stay here with me for my thirst is. Start!
Do not take him! You will burn! Burn!
Okay, I'm sorry.
Silence! Welcome, my children, welcome. You are in the Cathedral of Souls, my dears. And while you are here, I demand you are silent! Now, dears, before you enter the Cathedral of Souls, you must pass judgment.
Okay.
Are you ready to face your judgment, my dear?
Definitely.
You're a filthy liar and I'm cutting your tongue out!
I'm sorry.
Right this way, my dear.
I love it.
There you are, children. Quickly. Quickly now! Come along!
Come forward, let me see you. Come forward, and stop right there. Excellent, excellent. Now, who are we this night? Are we friends? Are we family? What's going on here?
Just friends.
Just friends? Now, let me guess, the crazy lady in the time machine, she didn't tell you how to get back, yes?
Right, yeah.
Excellent. Now, in order to get back, you're going to have to find Esther Sharpe. She's the key. She's in the orphanage on the far side of the church, but be warned, Heinrich Chapel is there as well. The man that sacrificed his wife and children so that he could have a shot at eternal life. Should you run into him, you will have to make a sacrifice. Should the master call, you're the one that answers. Do I make myself clear?
Okay.
Do I make myself clear?
Okay.
Excellent. Onward you go into the void, please. Come on.
My God.
Heinrich and the others will be so pleased you are here. Shame on my family and our orphanage, sacrificing my sister Agatha to the master, a higher being he may be, but a forgiving one he is not. A sacrifice must be made tonight. Orphan through the fireplace down to the crypt. Heinrich Chaperone. Time is ticking, orphans. And more orphans. At last, a new canvas. Oh, you seem a little jumpy, a little spineless even. Good thing I've got a spare.
Oh, no thank you.
Hurry along. The sooner Heinrich gets you, the sooner I get you back.
Oh, no.
Yes, right this way. Let me see what's in your pockets. Anything?
I don't have anything.
Give me a little spin then. Show me.
You have nothing!
How you saying right, faggot? Ow, down!
I cannot hold the time stream much longer. Remember this. You will tear your part. You'll sacrifice all of you. Do not be next.
Welcome, my friends. Quickly, this way. Master presentation. Gather around the foot of the altar. My name is Heinrich Chapel. I made a deal with the Master in which I sacrifice one of you so that I may live forever. Who is my sacrifice? What is your name, my dear?
Raina.
Raina. Place 1 foot on the pedestal now. I shall give you one final blessing before I send you to meet the Master. Quickly, this way.
Okay.
The Master waits beyond.
Oh, those cats. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Reach the rib cage. It is the only way out.
This is our way of escape. You have to kind of figure out your way to your own time and hope you make it out alive.
Perfect.
Yeah. Stop! Oh, you. Close.
Rift 13, air. Rift 13, air. Welcome to the Rift Gate Research Facility. Please make sure all test subjects stay with their designated. We hope you enjoy your time in the Rift. No, the Rift! Wait, the Rift! The Rift is open! The Master, he's coming for you! Run! Run!
Prepare for rift opening. Destination set to 900 AD. Rift
Please, you gotta help me.
I
Don't
can't
leave
do
me here. Please, sir. I need you now. Please, replace me.
master demands blood, and through my hands it shall be delivered!
He knows! The master knows you're here!
Back to your cage, prisoner! Stand before the sacrifice. Every single drop of blood spilled tonight binds the rift tighter, feeding the master's return!
Are you the sacrifice I requested? Excellent.
Okay. Stop it. Okay. I'm going.
All the elements. How are you feeling?
I feel great. Fine, it's lovely. Come. Everyone come.
Okay, all right, we're gonna let you react a little bit.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.